You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar continued to rise on Tuesday as a result of the effects of the previous week's positive payrolls and GDP data, which brought forward hopes of an early taper. The dollar ended the day 1.3435 to the euro and 99.62 to the yen. Today's data includes the monthly budget statement in October, which is expected to fall to negative 104 billion. Next, to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after German inflation data in October showed prices remaining quite robust compared to recent preliminary CPI data for the whole of the eurozone, which showed a fall from 1.1% to 0.7% and led to hopes the eurozone CPI might be revised up. The single currency ended the day 1.3435 to the dollar and 133.85 to the yen. Today's data includes industrial production in October, which is expected to rise by 0.1% from negative 2.1% previously and is expected to fall negative 0.3% month-on-month. British pound. The pound fell on Tuesday after inflation data showed greater than expected fall to 2.2% when 2.5% had been expected, and lessened the likelihood the BOE would use its inflation opt-out within forward guidance to raise interest rates. The sterling ended the day 1.5903 to the dollar and 0.8446 to the euro. Today's data includes the Bank of England inflation report and employment data, with the unemployment rate expected to remain at 7.7%. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Tuesday as a result of poor data, which showed a fall in the tertiary industry index on a seasonally adjusted basis by negative 0.2% in September, when it had been expected to fall to 0.2%. The yen ended the day 99.62 to the dollar and 158.42 to the pound. Today's data includes third quarter GDP, which is expected to drop to 1.6% from 3.8% previously on an annualized basis. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.339 with targets at 1.3465 and 1.3495. The downside penetration 1.339, which will call for 1.334 and 1.3295. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.5885 with targets at 1.5955 and 1.5995. The downside penetration of 1.5885, which will call for a slide towards 1.5835 and 1.5775. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 99.2 with 99.95 and 100.2 inside. The downside breakout of 99.2, which will open the way to 98.85 and 98.55. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets4you. Have a great day.